Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
Surah 41, in Fussilat 41, 34 ayat. وَلَا تَسْتَوِي الْحَسَنَةُ وَلَا السَّيِّئَةُ ادْفَعْ بِالَّتِي هِيَ أَحْسَنُ فَإِذَا الَّذِي بَيْنَكَ وَبَيْنَهُ عَدَاوَةٌ كَأَنَّهُ وَلِيٌّ حَمِيمٌ وَمَا يُلَقَّاهَا إِلَّا الَّذِينَ صَبَرُوا وَمَا يُلَقَّاهَا إِلَّا ذُو حَظٍّ عَظِيمٍ. And the goodness and the hardness or the badness are not even. They are not equal. They are not even. Repel badness with what is good. Then between you and between the one with whom you have enmity, surely he will be like the one who is a close protector. This is the Torah of the Quran, the law of the Quran, the muhkamat ayat of the Quran. Repel evil with what is good. It is not balancing that if somebody does evil, you do the same evil. It's not right. He says, وَلَا تَسْتَوِي الْحَسَنَةُ وَلَا السَّيِّئَةُ ادْفَعْ بِالَّتِي هِيَ أَحْسَنُ. You have to do good to the one who is doing bad to you. Anything, even if he kills you, if he kills my brother or mother or sister or daughter, I cannot retaliate, because if I do wrong, I am a murderer myself. I cannot. Idfa billati ahsan means you do good if somebody does bad to you. And goodness and badness are not even. It cannot be same. So what happens in the world? You do bad, do something bad to me, I do bad. This is not the criteria, the Furqan of the Quran, the reading of the Torah or the law. This is the law, the Torah. You repel evil with goodness. Then he says, with whom you have enmity, surely will be one of those, be a close protector by Allah. And none will receive goodness except those who have patience, and none will receive except who is a great fortunate one. Any person, if he does good against badness and help himself and pardons and forgive, Allah says he'll be a great fortunate one and have patience in doing that. You follow it? And none will receive goodness except those who have patience. If something bad is done if anyone does bad to me, I have to be patient so that I have goodness. So Allah said none can receive who have patience. They have to be patient. By the time passes, you know that hurtness or badness slightly go away. And you're doing for Allah. You're not retaliating for Allah. You must understand, because this is the Torah of the Quran, the law of the Quran, the muhkamat or governing ayat of the Quran. Now Surah Al-An'am 6 and Ayah 160. Man jaa bil hasanati falahu ashru amthaliha wa man jaa bil sayyati fala yujza illa mithlaha wa hum la yuzlamun. And whosoever comes with the goodness, then for him are 10 goodnesses like it. And whosoever comes with badness, then he will not be rewarded except the likeness of it, and they will not be oppressed. Now in this ayah, if you are being hurt, and if you have someone has done bad to you, and you do good to that person, Allah says the multiplication of goodness will be multiplied by 10 times. But if you do bad, so the punishment for that is same. I told you, وَجَزَاهُ سَيِّئَةٍ سَيِّئَةٌ مِثْلُهَا. So, and reward of the hardness, badness, like of it. If you hurt or do bad, the reward is only one, same. You will get bad, or you will get the reward or hardness or bad from Allah. If you do bad to someone, Allah will do bad to you. But if somebody does bad to you and you do good to the person, it will be multiplied by 10 times. This is the Torah of the Quran, the law of the Quran. 10 times multiplication. So if somebody do bad, you do good. And once you do good, it will be multiplied 10 times. So your psyche will be in balance. If Allah would have been, because Allah knows our weaknesses, we immediately from the very, very childhood we retaliate. If two children you see fighting and you catch them and ask them what happened, he say he did this to me, so I did this. So this is biblical, this is not Islam. This is when you grow up, you must understand badness and goodness are not even. You have to do good against bad. So your psyche will be multiplied 10 times good to you. So goodness will come from Allah and you'll be elevated from the hurtness of badnesses. Because if you retaliate, it comes back to you. You become a bad person.